what's up?
You got a nice bike.
Thanks, dude. I love that thing.
You do?
That thing's clean AF. Is that an Evo? You want to switch?
Yeah.
All right. Let's switch it up. Here we go. Here we go. Oh shit! I hope. Oh my God! Holy shit! This feels like a rocket ship. Oh my Jesus!
Need some gas?
Whoa! Nah, pimp. I filled up.
Does it blow fire? It has to, right?
Does it what?
Does it like
Blow fire?
yeah, like you know, like
Hello.
Hi,
Tony home?
you're not home.
What?
like
Text me the details where you want me to meet you tomorrow. And what time? From East Wichita, gonna meet up with some homies, or at least one homie. Tony looking fire from tippy toe to tippy head, man. Beautiful helmet, beautiful smile. I don't know what that will all entail. Little one. First things first though, before we go meet up with Tony and a couple of his buddies, get some fueleta, gasolina, and I'm gonna go get a Tornado, man. They're super unhealthy for you, but super delicious. Maybe a Red Bull, you know? Need a little bit of a pep in my step. Give me a little Red Bull. Sorry. I might also hit up Best Buy so I can get a microphone to plug into my GoPro, so I don't have to yell the whole time. I get lightheaded making these videos. I'm just sitting here screaming because I don't have a mic for the GoPro. I gotta scream so the sound comes around to the front and into the front mic. Woo. I smell hot dogs and they smell amazing. Porta potty. So, fun fact about Wichita, I don't know why I know this, but apparently it's illegal to sell cherry pie a la mode on Sundays. I don't know why that's a law or a rule, but it is, and it's from like 1900 or something like that. Isn't that weird? Factoid number 2, the original Pizza Hut was founded here, I think in 1958, and they actually went with the name Pizza Hut because their little building looked like a hut, and they could only fit 9 letters on the front. Kind of funny. And now it's a global franchise. At least a nationwide franchise. I don't know if it's global. Holy shit, a pickleball court? Ooh, that was yucky. Let's go to this one. Yeah. Glub. Sometime this century, dang. Oh, what a full tank. Hey, thank you. Whoa. Excuse me.
Is this for you?
Yeah.
Did you want a bag?
No, thank you.
All right, you have a good one.
The breakfast of champions. One tornado. Yay me. That was a ton of perfume. Whoa. Let's go ahead to Tony's.
This thing looks sweet.
It's what?
It looks so good.
So does this, man.
Oh, this thing looks
She's pretty.
carbon fiber, everything.
Yeah, baby. I'll let you go first. I'll follow you. Pizza. Pizza, pizza. The king realtor of Wichita himself. Look at him. Look what he looks like.
What up, boys?
The king of Wichita, man.
Oh my God.
Rocking it with the 8480. Damn, we got the toe loads. What is rocking the Reebok, baby? Woo! Oh, that thing is almost as long. Nope. Don't know where I'm going with it. Yeah.
I know you love that bike.
Huh?
I know you love that bike.
How do you know?
I know it. I know it.
It's fun, man. It's comfortable, it's powerful, smooth.
Are we gonna drink?
Huh?
Are we gonna drink?
Yeah, if you want to. You wanna try it out? All right. Gee. Holy shit. Ah! Dude! This thing feels so weird. It feels like I'm laying down on my tummy.
This thing is so powerful.
Oh yeah. Yeah. God, that's a good looking bike. Ah, I don't know what the fucking turn signal is. Jeez. Hey, that was a fun trade, man. God, I forgot what it's like to ride in such like a... I feel like my knees were up into my tits. smells so good. Ugh. Oh yeah. There you go, Tony. Damn, Tony. Ew.
Tomorrow morning?
Hell yeah. See ya, buddy.
Yep.
Wheelie time. I would want the Matrix to make me like the fourth guy on the Baja Men. If I could have been part of that whole Who Let the Dogs Out release, that would have been amazing. Those guys were living the coolest life ever. Who let the dogs out? Who? God, I gotta quit yelling. I'm getting lightheaded. Woo! She's got dumps like a truck, thighs like wood.